Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can advertise on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need to have your Google Ads account set up, you're going to need to have your Google Business Center account set up with a business set up within it, and of course, you're going to need access to Google Maps. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go and connect your Google Ads to Google Business Center. I don't have either of those, so I'm just going to talk you through it, but it is actually very easy to do. So you're going to go into your Google Ads, and on the main screen, you're just going to go into the left-hand sidebar and click on Tools. Once you're there, you're going to scroll down until you see popular apps or popular extensions or anything of the sort, and you're going to click on Google Business Center. This is to connect the two. You just want to put in all of the needed information. It's going to connect those two accounts together. Other than that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into campaigns, because you're going to need to set up a search campaign, and once you're in campaigns, you can add a location campaign, and that is going to pretty much promote your location on pretty much Google searches, and it is directly tied to your Google Business Center data, so that is why you need to connect it. Now, once you've done that, if you don't have a business on Google Maps yet, now is a good time to do so. You're going to need to select any location you would like, right click on it, then click Add Your Business, and then it's going to take you to the Google Business Center to either create a new business, set up a new business, or to select an already existing one. And other than that, that is pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.